Uh, this is Jubaer I'm from Jubaer Learning Tech. So I want to share with you how can you start HTML for the beginners. So step by step I will share with my experience, and I will practice. Then I will make the video. Then I will share it in my YouTube channel. So always follow my YouTube channel. So now I start. How can make the portfolio. So I go here, then I select the local disk C. Okay, then already I make before web developing one folder. So I open this one, then I make another folder here. So here I write first website. Okay, first website. Is that I make first website. After that I'll write here notepad. So already came the notepad. I open this one, then I write here hello, this is Jubaer Ahmed. Okay, after that I will save. I go to the file, then I go to save as. Okay, then I go local disk C. Here I got the web develop. Okay, open this one, then here I write first first dot html. Okay, then I go to down, I select the all files and save. Suppose that if I go this file, I got this one. So if I open this one, okay, hello, this is Jubaer Ahmed. Okay, suppose that if I add here anything, here I write I am I'm from Dhaka, Bangladesh. BANG Bang LADDASH. Okay, then Control S. Then if I go the portfolio, I mean the website. Hello, this is Jubaer Ahmed. I'm from Dhaka, Bangladesh. Almost came here. Suppose that if I add anything, so I can write here last 4 years. 4 years I stay in Kuala Lumpur. KUALL Kuala Lumpur. Kuala Lumpur. Okay. So if I save this one, Control S. After that I go here. So before I write two sentences here. So if I okay. So this hello, this is Jubaer Ahmed. I'm from Dhaka, Bangladesh. Last 4 years I stay in Kuala Lumpur. So this is the portfolio. So if I start HTML, write the code. I think I always said you guys install Visual Code. I think it's better for you to write the code. So I go here, right here, Visual Studio Code, VIO Studio Code. Okay, so already came because before already I download this one. So enter. After that you got this one. So go to the download. Okay, so here you guys three kind of pattern. One is the Windows, one is the Mac, one is the Linux. So which PC I mean you use, you can choose your, then you download this one. So here is the apple. If you use the linux, you can download this one. If you use windows like as me, so you can download this one. So I download this one. Okay, so it will be download, take some times. After that I will install this one. Okay, so almost download this one. So if you go install this one, I mean the setup, I open this one. Okay, this one came, I accepted agreement, need to fill up this one, then next. Okay, then it will be next, it will be next. If you click the install, it will be installed here. Then how to you open, I will show my another video. So obviously you guys follow my YouTube channel, Jubaer Learning Tech. So first this one, Jubaer Learning Tech. Okay, go to YouTube, then you guys write Jubaer Learning Tech, then you get my channel. So here 122 subscriber, and you got so many video regarding HTML. Okay, so now I start how to make a website by HTML. I will share with you, and you can also follow W3s. Okay, there have so many elements, editor, and also basic of HTML. So I follow this one. So I think you guys also follow this one. You can learn from here so many things, lots of things. Okay, so I think hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel and follow me to learn HTML. Then I will share with you CSS, also JavaScript.